Welcome to this video that will introduce you to main features in OneClick Control Panel. OneClick enables you to build multiple applications and allows communication between these applications according to business needs. You can choose one of many different collations for your application, and you can build applications in multiple languages. Each application you build can have multiple business entities, and each entity will have its own definition and fields. All database tables related to business applications and entities will be created automatically. This also includes relations between tables. OneClick supports various data types, including text, integer, float, files, datetime, drop-down lists, multilingual text boxes, and much more. You can control entities and make them dynamically change their state through different stages of business workflow. OneClick will automatically create operations that allow end users to add, edit, delete, or view data in a very simple and organized way. OneClick Dynamicity also allows you to add your custom operations to best fit your client's requirements. You can choose data grids to be editable themselves, to enable end users to easily add or edit data. Data and business rules validation techniques are fully supported to ensure system workability and smoothness. Although everything is automatically created, developers will still have the ability to take control of their applications by adding their own custom pages. Applications created by OneClick support both left-to-right and right-to-left languages. Pages layouts and controls will be designed according to the language direction. Generated applications can be multilingual, with the ability to switch between languages at any time. In OneClick Control Panel, you can select the default language of your application. Security is highly managed in OneClick. Through the Control Panel, you can define new roles and assign these roles to users. Each role will have its own access and data ownership rules. OneClick Control Panel is the all-in-one place where you can do all the processes related to Silverlight Business Solutions development. Thanks for watching this video. Download the trial version of OneClick to explore more and more.